To the member of the PRC Board of Master Bumpers, Honorable Jason Magos, ladies and gentlemen.
Our distinguished guests, respected officers, honored professionals, proud families, and friends. Excited! Wow, very good, children. And now, the PME National President of Philippine Society of Medical Engineers, a member of the PSAP General Santos C.
Siguro si Honorable Jason. Anyway, good afternoon to all of us.
Thank you so much, sir. The same certificate of appreciation is presented to Attorney Rodolfo M.
May I read the certificate of distinction to Leody Dayondon Tahala III.
Okay. Murag naluya man naman, murag igutom na. But anyway, may I ask all the practitioners?
5 minutes sa ito. Ako taking. Isa mo 5 minutes more na break sa attack. Asan ka mo? Raise your right hand. Repeat after me. Okay? I, having been admitted as a member of the Philippine Society of United Master Plumber Incorporated, Jason Chapter, do solemnly swear to uphold and abide the Constitution and bylaws of the organization. I pledge to faithfully uphold and practice the noble and democratic principle of PSAP. Perform my duty and to
Certificate of membership is given to Miana April Lopsolis. Palakpakan. The same certificate of membership is given to Honorable Jason Magos, member of PRC Board of Master Plumbers. So please be here to have a photo opportunity and also.